Deep in our oceans, hidden from sunlight, exist hydrothermal vents. These are like hot springs, spewing superhot mineral-rich water. They form near volcanically active areas. Here, the Earth's tectonic plates move apart, releasing heat and chemicals from the planet's core. Imagine a world without sunlight, miles beneath the ocean's surface. It's dark, and the pressure is immense. Yet, in this seemingly inhospitable environment, life thrives. Hydrothermal vents are teeming with unique and fascinating creatures. These vents were first discovered in 1977, surprising scientists. Before this, everyone thought all life needed sunlight. But the discovery of these vents revealed a new way of life on Earth. It expanded our understanding of where life can exist. The vents are like underwater chimneys. They release hot fluids that are rich in dissolved minerals. These minerals are the building blocks for the extraordinary ecosystems that thrive around the vents. The deep sea, where hydrothermal vents are found, is a challenging place to live. Sunlight cannot penetrate the depths. Temperatures fluctuate drastically, ranging from near freezing to extremely hot. The pressure is crushing, hundreds of times greater than at sea level. Yet, life has found a way to flourish in this seemingly impossible environment. Over millions of years, organisms have evolved remarkable adaptations. These adaptations allow them to not only survive, but to thrive in these extreme conditions. One of the most significant challenges is the lack of sunlight. On land and in the sunlit upper layers of the ocean, photosynthesis is the primary source of energy. However, in the deep sea, creatures rely on a different process: chemosynthesis. Chemosynthesis is the key to life around hydrothermal vents. Chemosynthesis is like nature's own chemistry experiment. It's how life exists without sunlight. Instead of using light energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar, like plants do in photosynthesis, chemosynthetic bacteria use energy from chemical reactions. These bacteria live in the water, or even inside some of the vent animals. They use chemicals like hydrogen sulfide, which is toxic to most other life forms. They transform these chemicals into usable energy. This process forms the base of the food chain in hydrothermal vent ecosystems. The bacteria are like tiny food factories. They create organic matter from inorganic substances. This organic matter then becomes food for other organisms, such as grazers and filter feeders. Chemosynthesis is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life. It shows that life can exist in even the most extreme environments. It broadens our understanding of the possibilities for life beyond Earth. Among the most iconic inhabitants of hydrothermal vent ecosystems are giant tubeworms. These creatures can grow to be over 6 feet long and have no mouth or digestive system. They live in symbiotic relationships with chemosynthetic bacteria. The tubeworms provide a safe haven for the bacteria within their bodies. In return, the bacteria produce food for the tubeworms. This mutually beneficial relationship is a remarkable example of symbiosis in action. Another fascinating denizen of the vents is the giant clam. These clams, much larger than their shallow water relatives, also host chemosynthetic bacteria in their gills. The bacteria provide them with nourishment in the absence of sunlight. These creatures have adapted not only to the lack of sunlight, but also to the extreme temperatures and high pressure of the deep sea. Their existence showcases the incredible resilience and diversity of life on Earth. Section 5. Crabs and shrimp. Vent. Inhabitants. Hydrothermal vents also support a variety of mobile creatures, including crabs and shrimp. These animals have developed unique adaptations to survive in this challenging environment. Vent crabs, for example, have heat-resistant proteins in their bodies. This allows them to tolerate the high temperatures near the vents. They scavenge for food, feeding on dead animals and bacteria. Vent shrimp, on the other hand, have evolved a remarkable adaptation. They possess a light-sensing organ on their backs. This organ helps them to detect the faint glow emitted by the vents. This glow guides them to food sources and helps them to avoid the extreme heat of the vents. These creatures are an important part of the vent ecosystem. They help to control populations of other animals and contribute to the overall biodiversity of these unique habitats. Section 6. Microscopic life, the base of the vent food web. While the larger animals of hydrothermal vents are fascinating, it is the microscopic life that forms the foundation of these ecosystems. Chemosynthetic bacteria are the primary producers. They convert chemicals into usable energy. These bacteria exist in massive numbers, forming thick mats on the seafloor and covering the surfaces of the vents themselves. They are the base of the food chain. They provide sustenance for a wide range of grazers and filter feeders. Microscopic animals, such as copepods and amphipods, graze on the bacterial mats. These tiny creatures, in turn, become food for larger animals, creating a complex and interconnected web of life. The abundance and diversity of microscopic life in hydrothermal vent ecosystems highlight the importance of these habitats. They are teeming with life, much of it invisible to the naked eye. Section 7. Exploring the depths. Discovering new life forms. Exploring hydrothermal vents is a challenging endeavor. It requires specialized equipment and expertise. Scientists use remotely operated vehicles and submersibles to venture into the depths and study these fascinating ecosystems. Each expedition to hydrothermal vents yields new discoveries. Scientists are constantly finding new species of animals and learning more about the unique adaptations that allow life to thrive in these extreme environments. The study of hydrothermal vents has revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. It has shown us that life is far more resilient and adaptable than we once thought. It has opened up new possibilities for the search for life beyond our planet. The deep sea, once considered a barren wasteland, is now recognized as one of the most biodiverse habitats on Earth. Hydrothermal vents, with their unique ecosystems, are a testament to the incredible power of life to exist in even the most unexpected of places. Life beyond Earth. Lessons from hydrothermal vents. The discovery of hydrothermal vents has profound implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists believe similar environments could exist on other planets and moons. Europa and Enceladus are thought to have subsurface oceans that could harbor hydrothermal vents. These icy worlds are now prime targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. Studying Earth's hydrothermal vents provides insights into potential extraterrestrial life. It helps develop instruments for detecting life in extreme habitats. Life in our oceans, fueled by chemicals, gives hope we may not be alone. It expands possibilities for life and inspires cosmic exploration. Section 9. Protecting our oceans. Preserving unique ecosystems. Hydrothermal vents and their remarkable ecosystems are a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. However, these unique habitats are fragile and face increasing threats from human activities. Deep-sea mining poses a significant risk to hydrothermal vent ecosystems. Climate change and ocean acidification harm the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Protecting these habitats is crucial. Establish marine protected areas, regulate mining, and reduce carbon emissions. The future of these ecosystems depends on our actions. By understanding and appreciating these unique ecosystems, we can ensure their survival. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe, leave a like and a comment to learn more about the amazing wonders of the deep blue oceans. And do check out this video next, because YouTube says you're going to love it.